hi. Heady tip of the day. Whether you are using cardboard Q-tips or wooden Q-tips with a cotton tip, either of those can be composted. So, put them in your dab dumpster, keep it safe in there, and then put it into your green bin on the curb that picks up your yard waste. Then, instead of it going in a plastic bag on top of another plastic bag on top of another plastic bag, your little bit of cardboard and wood and hash will get turned back into dirt and be made into more awesome stuff that we can grow plants and fruits and meows out of. Yeah, so don't just throw your Q-tips in the trash. Take them and put them in a dab dumpster, and then put them into your yard waste. Thank you for tuning in. This is Bill signing out, being hella zooted. Whee!